Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiki Pendragon. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I make a slip knot. The slip knot is a very basic necessity, so I hope I can help you learn. I always keep the tail of my yarn on my right side because I'm going to hold that with my right index finger and my right thumb. So to make a slip knot, just to show you, you lay it over your hand, take that tail and go over, just so you can see. That's where it goes. And then you're going to put your left index finger and your left thumb. You're going to go through the loop, grab onto the working yarn, not the tail. This is still your tail. Hold on to that working yarn and pull. And that's a slip knot. And then you can just pull that and it pops out. So over your yarn, here's your tail. Keep hold of that, grab onto that tail, go through the loop, go through, grab onto that body yarn. Don't use the tail. That tail is going to be the nice short piece. Don't grab onto that. Grab onto the other piece. And then pull nice and tight. Very simple. And then you can pull it through. And go over. So hold on to that short end with your right hand. And then sometimes I'll hold on with my my middle finger and my ring finger if I need a little bit more grip. Go through that. Grab onto that working yarn. Pull through. Nice and easy. This will always be your tail, and this will be your working yarn. The working yarn goes from the ball of your yarn to your project. And then you can pop it through. Thank you guys for sticking around. I really hope this was helpful. If not, let me know in the comments below. If it was, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear all of your feedback. Thank you so much.